So, just ate the MREs. Now we're in the truck.
Boom, 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 boom. Oh,
ready
we
to
did
go.
say you'll see us fishing right about in a second.
Now, so, well, we're not
But
fishing.
we're on the
driving
way.
there.
We're
on the way.
OTW.
OTW.
And as y'all might not be able to really tell, but if you've been keeping up with national weather,
It's pretty bad out here.
oh shit! I turned the wrong way. That's on me. I haven't drove in a couple of days. Yeah, we're headed to a little pond to pond.
Yeah, it's a new pond. I'm very intrigued. Hudson says he's looked at it. He said it's shallow with some grass, and I'm digging that right now. I got a
Gonna
frog,
be throwing frogs,
punching jig,
jigs,
Uh,
bandito bug, bringing out the Guggen bass for the first time.
cracking craw. That's gonna be sexy.
Gonna be throwing a little chatterbait around that grass.
Yep.
See if there's something moving.
I'm gonna throw a spinner bait later on.
Yep, it's Hurricane Michael's hitting us pretty hard right
Yeah.
now. You guys, I don't know if you can see around us. You'll be able to see in a little bit. We got the waterproof cases for the GoPros.
Yeah.
We're going all out today.
All out.
Rain gear. It's gonna be a grind, but hopefully we'll be able to catch some timbers.
Yeah.
Make it all worth it.
It'll be worth it. It'll be worth it.
We got one good pond. I
Yeah.
think.
If it doesn't work out, we got another good. We have a pond. We know they're passing. So
Some bacon to say.
yeah, we're gonna go to it.
Vegas.
If it doesn't work out, hopefully this one will work out. Hopefully I'll catch my PB. Hopefully Hudson catches his by some
Yep.
miracle.
If I catch my PB, I might skin it and just retire.
I mean, yeah.
Maybe.
You think they're okay? They're probably okay. Should we slow
we'll roll
down?
my window.
Well, you can. All right. And yeah, we'll see you at the ponds. Deuces. So we're at the ponds now.
I rolled up on the spot.
Yeah, we're kind of close, but we're gonna call it right here.
Got some skinny water. I think I saw a sick on it.
Oh, he got it. He got it, dude. He got it. He's swimming.
He's eating it.
Yeah, he's eating it.
Oh, man! Oh,
Oh,
I missed him.
missed him.
Yeah, but we're gonna go fish.
Yeah. So we're not. Yeah, we're done messing around. Out. Oh, okay. Hi guys. We're at the spot. Never been here before. Water levels are really high right now, which is kind of great because we've been wanting that, and for some reason they drained the lake, so it's just been low water pretty much everywhere we've gone lately. But as you can see, right there, it's gone up quite a bit. It will make it a little more difficult to cast into the spots we want, but not gonna be a problem because I think they're gonna be up in the shallows anyway, so it may just work out for our benefit. I'm gonna do what Hudson's doing right now. I'm gonna fully send it. What?
Duck decoys.
Really? Yep, there's some duck decoys. So they definitely do some duck hunting over here. Huh?
Not sketchy.
No, it's not sketchy. I mean, I feel good. I don't think anyone's gonna be out here right now. It's not duck season yet. It's starting soon. It is? I thought it was. Oh yeah, you're right. It is. Yeah, it's duck season, so this might not be the best thing to happen. But yeah, we're gonna fully send it right now. Let me go ahead and start off with the.
First cast, literally first cast. First cast. I saw him eat it too. The water's like clear. What the heck? They're dark. That's sick. Let me go. I'm just gonna toss him. There you go. That is sick.
Oh. I'm gonna follow him. Never mind. He's in his knees. I'm just gonna walk over here. I'm going through here. Oh, this is? Okay. On the frog, dude.
No, man.
Yeah. Dude, he's not huge, but that's nice for a little pond. Here we go. Yeah. I think that's I don't know who that is. Yeah. Yeah, I don't think he's gonna be able to say anything to us. Yeah, he stopped.
All right.
Might leave right now. It looks like we don't have to leave. Maybe not though.
Yeah. Not too much.
Yes, dude. I was not expecting that.
Thanks again, man. Thank you.
Thank you. Okay, so basically what happened just...
We'll see you, man.
So what happened just then is he was like, you know what, you can fish this pond.
He said,
and matter of fact,
this is exactly what he said. This is exactly, I walked up to him and he said, yeah. This is exactly what that dude said. He said, I'm gonna have to talk to one of you boys. I walked up to him and I waved at him when he first was pulling down, and he said, where are you from? And I said, I'm from around here. And he says, I'm whatever his name was, I'm not gonna say it. And then I said, I'm Hudson Hatfield. He said, Hatfield. No, I think I know a couple Hatfields. I'm like, yeah, of course you do.
Yeah.
Everyone knows me here, or my family at least. And he says, listen, I normally run people out of here, but I'm gonna let you boys fish. That's what he said. I was like, and he said, don't get too excited about that. I just rather you stay out of my corn. We shoot deer right here where you guys are standing. Like, we've seen the guns, or like the shells and the targets and everything, and the duck decoys. But he said, we shoot deer here. It's crazy. But then he said, he was telling us to go around on the other side just so we could stay out of his corn and stuff. And then we can fish on that side all the way over. Like, we have permission to fish this whole side. And then...
Is this the road?
Then he said whenever Ethan came over, we started talking a little bit more. And he knew he knows the people that I grew up next door neighbors with on the lake. And freaking, we started talking about them, and he's like, you know what, y'all go flip that boat over, y'all can go fish in that boat, y'all go kick those chairs up and raise hell, give them hell. I was like, dude, yes.
See, so basically, from thinking we're gonna get kicked out to, hey, you can fish on my boat.
We're gonna get shot, kicked out, to, hey, we got a boat, y'all go fish, good luck, let me know how you do.
Today couldn't have gone better.
Tips on how to freaking fish this pond. He's a great guy and all, but I don't think he knows how we fish.
Yeah.
Because this would be We Fish TV, and we fish and we be fishing.
Yeah, we don't just mess around, do we? Catching some toads today.
Let's go! Oh, nice one.
Oh my god. It just feels nicer because it's on the spinning.
No, dude.
Definitely nicer?
Definitely good. 3-pounder.
Yeah, bring them in.
These I have my body right now.
Oh, dude, it's nice. Oh. Oh my god. That's not a 3.
Not a 3. Yeah, it is.
The mouth on that.
Ooh, doggy. These fish fight harder than anything I've ever. Yep. Dude, when I set the hook, I was like, oh, I'm losing it. It's breaking. Like, jeez Louise. That initial run, I thought it was gonna break me off. Nice and he is thick though. I'll give him 2. 2.5. 2.5. I'll give him 2.5. These fish do fight so flippin' hard, dude. Guess it ought to come out. Get in. It made sense?
Really difficult. I got about 2 inches of water in my shoes.
Oh, me too.
And it's not going anywhere.
But we are. Look at this. Yo, we are on a boat. So try to bait.
Yeah.
Why do what this?
Give me what?
Let's do a challenge. Whoever loses this to jump in.
No.
What?
I don't want to jump in.
So John B-ish.
What?
So John B.
Jumping in?
Yeah.
I'd rather something else.
Yeah, I know. That's why we do it.
Oh.
Is that mega? Look, see?
Oh, yeah.
What'd you on them? Here's thank you.
Oh, dude, this is a good one.
We on a boat.
Wow.
Right to me, right to me. Oh! Right to me! Wow. They fight so hard. Ow! Let go! Jeez. They've got some teeth on them, dude. What do you think that's right now? Nice. They fight so hard. They smell so good.
Look at that guy.
It's just sick nasty.
Wow. Why do we fish high rock? Why do we ever fish anywhere else?
I know, this is so much fun.
Okay,
It's like my pond, but we actually get fishing.
dude, look at, he's stunting right now.
You want to try to bait or no?
I'll just go and get one out just in case. Look at that, look at the mouth.
Oh yeah, no, they're stunned.
Hi guys, hey. Okay, going back in.
Directly into my... There's the one's gonna eat that. Just stay there all day. Oh! Yes, sir! Oh, snap! So close to me. Bring it to me. That's definitely the fish that hit mine.
He's instantly swimming with it.
Oh, yeah, they hungry.
Yeah, that's a nice little fail right there. A little bit smaller than the last one, but give her a sniff, give her a kiss, throw her back in. That was beautiful right there. I love this jig. You find a dock? I was thinking that too, honestly. Oh, 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 oh.
Yeah, oh, that is a rock bass.
Wow. What am I scratching? This had to be what was biting me earlier. My first little rock bass.
That is, that's like a warm up.
It's pretty cool right there. Species. I'm winning on the species list now. Yeah, it doesn't smell like a bass, so. It kind of has like a little bluegill kind of thing going on. Yeah. Well.
Ducks quack.
Okay, guys. We had a pretty successful night of fishing. Actually, really successful. I don't know what I'm talking about. That was a good day of fishing. Afternoon. That was a good afternoon of fishing. Loading the boat back up to the spot. Hudson's still fishing. He'll probably catch one before we head out.
I will never stop.
And,
Because I always keep fishing.
never stop.
And, I don't know if you guys can tell what I'm throwing right now. Tis is a Guggen bite, and I'm rigged it like, I don't know, whatever that way, on a chata bite. I got like 2 or 3 bites, well 2 or 3 fish. cameras were dead, and it was too dark to see them anyways. But yeah, those are my first Googan bait fish.
Yeah.
Cam on the chatterbait. We'll catch them more, just rigged up by themselves whenever the rest of them get here. But pretty freaking darn good day.
Yeah. But we're heading in. The Sweetfish TV.
Maybe.
Huh? Heading in.
Might be going to the tackle shop.
Maybe. But yeah. See you in the vlog. The Sweetfish TV.
Love you.
And we be fishing.
We fish and we be fishing.
Peace. Hi, it's Sweetfish TV.
HHTV. Restart.